Alright guys, so the O2 CR250 has blown up yet again. This is the third time it's blown up. First time we replated the cylinder via Power Seal USA. Second time we bought a brand new cylinder because we were in a hurry. She's blown again. Caveman's behind us. His F250. We'll try to get down here and load this bike up. Did it blow up? Blew up down here, right? Yeah. You gonna drive this truck down here?
No, I think he's gonna push it up there.
Oh.
Yeah, he's gotta do something with the four-wheel drive's not working right. So he probably slipped that back there. Yeah.
I told you I shouldn't ride it. I would have been the next one on it and it would have blown up. Here it is, guys. Rest in peace.
Might as well just tear it apart there.
O2 CR250.
He's gonna light a match. He's gonna what? He's just gonna light on fire and walk off. What's he doing? Bringing his truck over here? No, he's gonna push it up there.
The four-wheel drive's not working, so he's had to park at the top of the hill.
Friggin' Ford. Lucas will take care of it.
Now, aren't you glad you sprung for a 2020? You know, KTM 4-stroke instead of messing with these old 2-strokes like you used to.
Terrible. Hey, you wanna get this
Why do you? You weren't riding it, were you?
No.
Why do you feel terrible?
I don't know.
I told you it was gonna blow. You know how hard it is to me to not have done a YouTube video on this the whole time he's had it? Like, I really wanted to do a riding video. But I've been like, oh!
Get it on film.
Good idea.
I guess we could have thrown him down here.
Landon with the tip over, then Dad with a purpose tip over.
Hey, you want this on video? This is something people probably haven't seen before.
Oh my, I haven't seen anybody kickstart a bike in so long, dude. That is crazy. Yeah, History Channel. For some reason I do like those forks. I just like that gold color. Yeah. Here he is. He brought down the old Ford. Hey! Sketch, dude. That was sketch. Sketchy. It came down the hill, was crossing the track right as Tyler hit that rut.
Oh, shit. About killed him.
You gonna tear it apart tonight?
Oh yeah, it'll be a part of the thing.
Oh yeah. I'm dying to know what happened.
I mean, that head on it, I mean, it's like, it's got like...
You what?
My feet got stuck in the mud the first time.
Over there?
Yes, and my dad had to pull me out.
Oh no.
I know. And it's not muddy out here now.
Oh, you're not too bad.
I know.
Got a little mud down there on your foot peg.
Yeah.
Bike looks sweet though.
Yeah.
R.I.P. R.I.P.
I can turn it over. This is really hard to do.
Maybe you broke a ring.
That's what I'm wondering.
It's not, because I mean, it's not locked up.
diagnose it tonight.
Yeah.
You'll find out what's wrong with this thing.
Yeah, hopefully he's gonna get it diagnosed, rebuilt in time to run Loretta Lynn's. Loretta Lynn's is tomorrow morning. Hopefully we'll get her rebuilt, get down to the ranch.
Somebody has high hopes.
And get our practice in tomorrow morning. Keep you guys posted on what's wrong with this beast.